Can I have a mic check? Let's go. It's all about the money, baby. It's all about the money. Let's go, Doubles. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Yes, sir. What's up? What's up, Doubles? Are we all propagated, regulated, ready to rock and roll aided? Are we live? Are we live? Are we live, Doubles? We got some audio check going on here. Check, mic, check, mic, check. Check the mic, check the mic. We're good? All right. Yo, what's up? It's Coach Nick Money in the house. It's another episode, Doubles, of Power Play. Power Play, Doubles. Another episode of Power Play. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to the show, let me break it down to you. Let me tell you a little bit about what Power Play is about. So here's what happens, right? There's a morning rush with the stock market. A lot of trading, a lot of volume. Then there's a break for lunch. You know what I'm talking about? Break for lunch. Makes sense, right? And then we wait for Power Hour to come back around, which is 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, when a lot of folks come back to trade a little bit more and volume comes in a little bit more. And there's more possibilities of a parabolic breakout. So the power portion of the show is where we review the leading gainers from our Discord private custom-made scanner that we're sharing with you. You can see it on the left side of the screen. And we go through those stocks and we check out their float and volume from the scanner. We check out the news. We check out a little bit of something that's acting as a catalyst, and we take a look at those particular stocks and see if they got any gasoline ready to go ahead and run parabolic during Power Hour at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And of course, we check on them periodically. We got to go ahead and put it on high heat. Let it simmer a little, right, Doubles? Let it simmer a little because, it's still not the highest amount of volume right now. So what we do is we go ahead and play some Fortnite and get some wins for the indelible tribe. That's you guys, right? So we get some victory royales by playing, right? That's the play portion of it, right? Playing Fortnite. And we check out the stocks for Power Hour. That's the power portion of it. Power Play. Get it, Doubles? Like that. So ladies and gentlemen, if you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. And of course, you're going to want to follow us on x.com, aka Twitter, at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We put out content pertaining to financial news as well as pre-market, regular hours, and after hours, Monday through Friday. Everything and anything having to do with small cap and micro cap stocks, including technical analysis, press releases, filings, and much, much more. So go ahead and follow us on x.com at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. And of course, we're also on Facebook, Instagram, Threads, and Twitch at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. And we're on TikTok as well at DBL Nicks. At DBL NICKS, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money. And of course, we have a 4-day special where you can try out our Discord and gain access to all our custom scanners. The one that you're seeing on the left side of our screen is the market mover scanner. That's the top gainer scanner. But we also have a breakout scanner that hunts for stocks that are potentially breaking out parabolically as an early alert system, and several other scanners as well. We also have search features that allow you to search the news and other catalysts as well as filings, whether or not a stock has a shelf registration, and much, much more. And of course, we have a news feed for the entire stock market as well. All of that is part of the Discord. And of course, there's educational content galore, heavy on education. We put a lot of effort into making the Discord more than just an amazing community, which it is, but it's also a powerful resource chock full of information and news to help you achieve your goals, aspirations, and dreams, baby. Let's go. Let's get that share party going on. Let's get the first 100. The link is in the description or in the pinned comment for the 4-day trial for the Discord, so you can access all those tools. And of course, we also have the early watch list, which is a crowd favorite. That comes out at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday for the following trading day. And check this out. For example, we gave DKI as an early watch list on Friday for today, Monday. Monday, and of course it ran up well over 200%, way over 200%, right? Way over, and it's still up over 100%, right? After being up even more than that. So go ahead and click the link in the description and the pinned comment. Take advantage of that 4-day trial for $9.99, and tell us that you saw us on the stream. Let us know, baby. Let us know. Right, Doubles? What do you think? What do you say? What do you think? What do you say? All right, so we're going to get started with the stocks in a few minutes. We're going to let some more folks come on in. Let's get that share party. Let's get the first 100 folks in here, 200 folks in here, and then we'll start going over the stocks a little bit. In the meantime, we'll go ahead and start off by getting a victory royale for the indelible community, the AKA indelible tribe, baby. Let's go get that. Let's go get that victory royale. We're going to take a look at a very numerous stonkaroos like DKI, which is up currently 109% on earnings. They had very positive earnings. They had positive earnings. That's what pushed the stock upward. Yeah. All right, let's get that victory royale for the indelible tribe. Why not, bro? Yummy. Let's go, baby. Woo, having some coffee, getting some energy. Gonna need some energy, Doubles. Let's go. Let's get that share party going on. Let's get that victory royale to start it off, and then I say we're gonna go ahead and check out the stocks. FUSE up 66%. XT, KG, multi-day mover up 59%. Like that, Doubles. Like that, bruh. All right, here we go. You ready, Doubles? You ready? Let's do it. All right, we're gonna land. Doubles, we're gonna land, bruh. We're gonna land. Let's go check out Fuse while we're getting ready to land. Let's go check out Fuse over here. Fuse, huh? Right. What happened? Did I miss my mark? Darn it. Darn it, shucks. Gee Willikers. All right, here we go, bro. All right, we got some enemies over here. Enemy. Remember me. Whoop. Get away from that. Get away from there, fella. Get away. Oh. Don't start lagging on me, bro. Don't do it, bro. Don't do it. I got crappy weapons so far, Doubles. I'm not gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna lie to you. All right. There we go. All right. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right, here we go. Let's get that victory royale. I'm not going to talk about AZN because that stock is too expensive. It's like, I don't know. It's like almost $200. You know what I'm saying? Doubles. It's like almost $200. $200. You know what I'm saying? It's too much money. Too much. But it is up 106%. It is, Doubles. Let's get that share party. Let's get to the first 100. Let's get the victory royale for the community. And then we'll go over some songs. Why not? We can do it, right? Right, Doubles? We can do it. Yes, sir. Yes, sirree, Bob. Ooh, look at that. I didn't mean to do that. Did not mean to do that, Doubles. I need a shoddy gun, bro. I need me a shotgun, bro. How about a half pot? Half pot? How about a halfy pot? Or not? Up. Alright. Okay. Why is this game lagging? My game is always lagging. What the freak, bro? Holy Toledo. Why is the game lagging? Why? Why? Stop lagging, bro. You see the lag, bro? What the heck, man? Come on, Fortnite. Come on, Fortnite. Come on, Fortnite. Stop lagging. Stop lagging. Stop it. Stop lagging. Stop lagging now. Now I tell you. Look at that, doubles. Ooh, I lost track of the storm. I didn't realize it. I didn't realize what was going on with the storm, bro. Where's the drop? Where's the drop? Right there. Let's get inside. Yeah, let's get inside, doubles. Let's get inside. There's fighting going on, doubles. Let's go in here. Let's go in here. See what's going on. Alright. Laggy. I like that. I have to sip a little of this. Alright. Still lagging, bro. Still lagging, bro. Lagging. Game is lagging like crazy, bro. What the heck? Why does it do that every time, bro? Alright. Alright. Let's go downtown. Downtown. Let's go downtown. Oh my. Oh my gracious. Anything over here? We should probably take this little slurp right here, bro. Look at that. Purple. I don't want that. I don't like it. I don't like it, I tell you. Oh my. How about we take this thing, pop it like it's hot, pop it like it's hot. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go, doubles. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. Let's get out of here, bro. Let's go. Let's get a share party. Let's share it up, I tell you. Share it up. Yes, sir. Ooh, the stick is out, bro. But I'm lagging, so I won't be using the stick, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to use the stick. I'm not going to use it. I'm not going to use it. I love Cheesy Puff. Let's get a share party. PBM moving 70%. Fuse 69%. KOLD 53%. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Come on. Somebody activated the stick. Uh-oh. Someone's summoning the final storm. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Doubles. Uh-oh. Somebody over here, bro. Nobody in there. Nobody. Alright, we gotta move, bro. Can you see where the stick's at? The stick's right there, bro. Look.
The glow bar.
Right? It's that glow bar, right?
Glow bar, yes.
It's that glow right there, right? Oh, that's not good. I don't have one of those little launch joints, bro. Too bad I don't have the jetpack, right? Doubles. DKI 111%. Let's get that shit party. Let's share it up. There's shooting over here, doubles. There's somebody shooting over here, bro. Where they at? Right over here. There goes a jetpack right there, bro. Bye, sucker. Bye, sucker. Bye, fool. Bye, fool. Trying to hurt the coach. What's wrong with y'all? What's wrong with these fools? Right, doubles? Game lagging. Dude, my game is lagging like crazy, bro. Okay. We got somebody coming, huh? Bye-bye, fool! Oh, come on, bro. 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 All right, let's get a share party. Let's get to the first 200. We got the first 100. That was lame. I don't do well with that stick of truth thing. I don't do well with that. I don't like it, man.
You used it?
No, I didn't use it. They put it on a freaking hill, bro, like a weird hill.
No, you gotta.
I didn't understand that at all, bro. To be honest with you, I didn't get it. I didn't get it, bruh. I didn't get it, bruh.
Well, you do have builds, so I guess you go and get it.
I didn't care for it, bro. I don't know. All right, anyway, let's take a look at Fuse, okay? Let's take a look at it. Fuse. Let's see what the news is on Fuse. Fuse says shares are trading higher after the company announced a partnership with Modulare to bring Fuse Machines AI Studio and related AI services to enterprise clients seeking to operationalize AI at scale with IBM-based environments. So that's the story. It's currently up 65%, but it formed a head and shoulders pattern, doubles. Let's go and get that trend line going on. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated. This is a head right over here, and we got a shoulder over here. Let's get a share party, and we got another shoulder over here. So this is potentially a bearish pattern. I'm concerned that it could potentially go down a little bit more. We need to see the 9 EMA get above the volume weighted average. The volume weighted average is $2.78. RSI is dipping towards oversold. That would be a bearish type of a signal. So we want to see this RSI start to curl, baby curl. Volume dipping, that makes sense because obviously there's still an hour and 7 minutes before power hour when volume really starts to come and saturate, begins to mitigate, insulate, pump 8 the market. I don't know. I'm just trying to make up some words, bro. I'm tired, bro. I'm tired, bro. Can you tell? You can tell, right? I don't have that high energy like I usually do, you know? The coffee's not working. The coffee's not working. Oh, come here, coffee. Come here, coffee.
Speaking of, I'm gonna get some orange juice.
But the coffee does taste good, though. It does. Anyway, so this is a head and shoulders pattern. We want to see this 9 EMA curl, baby curl, and get through the volume weighted average at $2.78. There is still an hour and 6 minutes before the power hour. So hopefully some good tidings will come to Fuse, baby, Fuse. DKI started running on Friday on earnings news. DKI, positive earnings year over year. So you could see that it pumped several times, and now it has dumped below the volume weighted average. It needs volume love. RSI is insignificant. Let's give it a Fibonacci retracement so that we have some key levels of support and resistance. But this is a multi-day runner, so it might be out of gasolina. Hopefully not. It is a inexpensive stock, trading currently at around 72-ish cents, give or take, and it's currently up still about 110, 120%, but it's got to get above that volume weighted average of 87 cents, currently at around 71 cents, and it's hugging the Fibonacci retracement. It's on that line as support right now. DKI, baby. DKI. We'll take a look at AZN, but it's an expensive stock. But we'll take a look at it anyway, right? AZN. This is a $190 stock. It's AstraZeneca, so it's a drug company, right? But it went up like crazy. It looks like, okay, so you know what happened? It looks like this. Whenever you see something like this, folks, this is usually an indication that there was some kind of a merger, okay? An acquisition, a merger, something like that. So let's see what's going on here. Shares are trading higher after the company announced that its Imfinzi, in combination with standard of care float chemotherapy, has been recommended for approval in EU for the treatment of adult patients. Okay, so it's not that at all, right? There was some kind of approval of one of their drugs, but it's out of my wheelhouse. It's too expensive. So we've talked about it, and that's that. AstraZeneca. XTKG. Let's take a look at XTKG. Let's take a look at it. Let's get a share party. Let's get to 200, 300. We're almost at 200. Okay, so what's the story with this ticker? This ticker has been moving for several days. It has been moving for several days now. And it is breaking above the volume weighted average. The 90 MA is pulling away. RSI is starting to get overheated. Volume is starting to dip. So it's suggesting that this may very well start to pull back down. We see that the price action is reaching right around the same area as this peak right here. So this could potentially be a area of resistance, and at worst, it could be a double top. It could be a double top. Let's see if there's any news for XTKG. XTKG. It's a 16 million float stock, and it has 78 million in volume. So it's not getting crushed with a lot of volume, unfortunately. But let's see if there's any news for this particular ticker right over there. Let's go check it out. Any news right over there? Let's see. I don't see nothing. I don't see nothing. I don't see nothing. I don't see no news. I don't see nothing. No news, no recent news. Okay, so it's just moving and grooving. My concern is that it could potentially double top over here. So this is what I'm looking at. I want to make sure that this area right here is an area that it actually breaks out of. So 39.40 cents is going to be a key area of resistance for this ticker. If it can break through it, then maybe we can get a little bit higher now, a little bit higher now, like 45 cents, maybe, like right around over here, 45 cents right over here. Let's get that graffiti pencil activated right over there, 45. Could it be? Let's see. We'll see what it does. Let's get a share party going on. That's XTKG. We spoke about Fuse. Let's go to PBM. Let's go to PBM. On the custom scanners, you can see the custom scanners that we're sharing with you from our Discord on the left-hand side of the screen. Of course, you can always join the Discord and gain access to the custom scanners and all the news features, the educational features, early watch list, and much, much more. Go ahead and click the link in the description or in the pinned comment for your 4-day trial for $9.99. Go ahead and take advantage of that. It's in the pinned comment and as well as in the description. So go ahead and take that 4-day trial. We're looking at PBM, and basically the 9 EMA is below the volume weighted average. The volume weighted average is above. This is a bearish signal. The 9 EMA is pointing downward, and there doesn't appear to be a heck of a lot of volume on this ticker right now. It is a low float stock at 1 million shares. So the float is very low, but unfortunately the volume is also low at 3 million. So we'll see what happens with this ticker, but not particularly schmexy at this juncture. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. Needs to break the volume weighted average. PBM needs to break the volume weighted average, aka VWAP. Let's go to KOLD. Let's go to it. ProShare Ultra. So this is a natural gas ETF. We're not going to really take a look at it too much, but it is up 54%. So that's the story with that one. Let's see if there's any other tickers. How about JLHL? Let's take a look at JLHL. That's another ticker that's been moving around, grooving. JLHL. And this is kind of sketchy because it's moving with not a lot of volume. Look at that. It pumped up with not a lot of volume. It pumped down with not a lot of volume. So I want to discuss this because we're seeing a lot of stocks like this lately. And what this usually signifies is that it's moving on very little liquidity. And what's happening is there's a wide spread between the bid and ask. And that's what causes these sudden lurches and gaps in price action, which makes it very difficult to trade with these when the stocks do this. The liquidity is a issue. And it sounds like this is potentially a Chinese company, and oftentimes these stocks move on very light volume to begin with. So I don't know. It's up 73%. Let's leave it at that. DKI, let's go back to DKI, moving and grooving, up 132%, testing the volume weighted average. Doubles. It's testing. It's testing the volume weighted average, up 153% now. Come on now. It's doing a little cup and handle action. If I put it on the 1 minute, doubles. If I put it on the 1 minute, It's a little bit less clear, so let's keep it on the 5-minute. Let's keep it on the 5-minute, doubles. It's trying to break the volume-weighted average. Volume-weighted average is going to be a key resistance area of 87 cents. If it can break that area, RSI is showing that it wants to keep moving upward. It's moving towards the overbought area, which is a bullish signal, folks, a bullish signal. And we can see that there's that little spike in volume over here. Now, the question is, does it keep on moving? Does it keep on grooving? Does it keep on baking? Does it keep on shaking? I don't know. We'll see. Keep an eye on it. We'll keep an eye on DKI. Positive earnings as the catalyst. It has been moving quite aggressively. It's a 14 million float stock, but check this out, 165 million shares, and it already added 2 million shares just in the past minute, baby. Let's go, let's go, baby, baby. Keep an eye on DKI for me, doubles, will you? Would you kindly keep an eye on it for me? I'm going to go and get a victory royale. I should have won that last game, bro. I got to tell you, I choke a lot. I don't like choking, bro. I don't like it. Going to get a victory royale for the squadron, for the indelible tribe. Let's get it. We're going to watch DKI. We're going to keep an eye on it. Cup and handle bull. Come on now, break 87. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's get that share party. Let's get to 300. We're at 263. Let's get to 300, 400. Let's go. I'm going to have some coffee, doubles. Some coffee. Why not? We still got 57 minutes before the power hour. Doubles before the power hour. Oh, it looks like it's going to be the surfboard this time, bro. You know? I think so. Right? Looks like a surfboard type of thing this time around, right, doubles? Right? Surfboard. I heard the surfboard type of music just now, so it's definitely gonna be a surfboard. Here we go again. Let's get to 300. We're almost there. 293. Surfy. Let's go, baby. Oh my. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Oh my doubles. Oh migration. Oh migration doubles. Oh migration. Here we go again. Oh my. All right, doubles. Here we go, buddy. That's what I'm talking about, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. All right. Doubles. Let's land over here, bro. Let's go over here. Let's get some weapons. Oh, somebody already got the weapons over there. That's not good. That is not good. Let's go over here and get some weapons over here. Why not? Alright. Here we go. Alright, here we go. Cheesy puff. I like cheesy puff. I like it. Doubles, I like it. Alright, let's get in there. Alright, I'm gonna push this guy. Or not. Did this guy leave? This guy left. I gotta go, bro. Dude. Dude!
Yeesh.
I got smoked, bro. Man, that was unfortunate, bro. Alright, that didn't count. That didn't count, doubles. Freaking surfing nonsense. I want to land where I want to land, bro. You know what I'm saying, doubles? I want to land where I want to land, bro. All right. We're watching DKI trying to break the volume weighted average at 87. The stock has news of positive earnings. It's currently got 168 million in volume. Volume keeps increasing. Float 14 million. We can see that the RSI is moving towards the overbought area. So hopefully it'll get a nice big thrust of volume. The volume candles are still trying to size up a little bit, and we'll have a positive type of situation where the stonk will keep moving upward. Hopefully that's what we're hoping for. We're hoping for that. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Alright, meanwhile, I need to, like, stop playing like booty. Djibouti. I'm playing like Djibouti, doubles. I'm playing like Djibouti. I don't like that, bro. I don't like it. I don't like it, bro. I don't like it. I don't like it. No, bro. No. Ooh. Yo, this is a sweat right here, bro. I just gotta shoot him constantly. This is a sweat. You got a sweat skin on, bro. You got a sweat skin on, bro. What's up with that? What's up? What's up? What's up? All right, let's try this again. We're going to try again. Doubles, we're going to try again. You got it? All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go again. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go again, doubles. Let's go, baby. We got 52 minutes before power hour. We're watching DKI with news, earnings news, positive earnings news, positive earning news. We're hoping that it's going to go for a round two. It ran pretty aggressive on Friday and earlier this morning. Hopefully it'll continue to run aggressive again as it tries to break the volume weighted average of 87 cents. We got XTKG moving up 72%. Fuse 70%. Roma ran earlier in the morning, currently up 48%. It moved very aggressively on light volume. Roma. The aroma of Roma. Come on, get down so I can get my weapon. Doggone it. Get down so I can get my weapon. Alright, let's go. Let's go. There's a lot of people over here, bro. Not for nothing, but there's a lot of folks over here, bro. A lot of folks, bro. A lot of folks. I'm just saying. A lot of folks, a lot of peoples. Shield? Okay, I'll take it. Why not, bruh? Why not, bruh? Why not? Shoddy? How about a shotgun? Shotgun? How about it? Yes or no? Or not. Alright. Enemy right there, bro. All right. That's what I needed to see. I needed that, bro. Alright, bro. How we doing, doubles? How we doing, bro? Now, there was some shooting down here. It broke it? Again, it's testing. It's testing the VWAP. DKI testing the VWAP. Yo, what the heck? What the heck is going on over here, bro? alright. I heard gunfire before, bro. Yo, the game is Lagosaurus Rex, bro. Lagosaurus Rex, brother. You know? I am lagging like cray, bro. Let's get a share party. We're almost at 420. Let's do it for the memes, folks. Let's do it for the memes. 420. Shooting up ahead, doubles. Shooting up ahead. Oh, my audio's low. I was wondering why. They shooting over here, bro. Get out of here, bro. Alright, let's go back here and get some heals, bro. Let's get some heals, bro. Why not? Why not? Oh, we got an enemy right here, bruh. Lagging, bro. Bro, come on, man. Game's lagging, bro. Come on. Bro, you lost to a guy whose game's lagging, bro. Embarrassing, bro. Embarrassing, bro. Embarrassing, bro. My freaking game is lagging and you lost, bro. Seriously, bro? Seriously, bro. Bro, you suck. Go play Roblox, bro. Go play Roblox, bro. Play Roblox, cause you're not about this life, bro. You're not about that life, bro. Right, Doubles? They're not about that life. Right, Doubles? Right, Doubles? Double trouble. My shotgun wasn't even loaded, bro. I don't want to say nothing. Oh, dude, this game is like lagging like crazy, dude. I tell you, it's a rough start. Right, Doubles? I'm not gonna make no excuses, though. I'm just gonna keep pushing. I'm pushing and pushing. I'm bumping and bumping. Alright, we're gonna have to go. Alright, let's get it. Doubles. Doubles! Let's get a share party. Let's get it over 400. Let's go 500. Ooh, a jetpack, bruh. A jetpack, a jetpack! doubles. Minis. Half pot, I'll take it. Why not? Why not? Why not? Doubles, why not? I already got that. Alright. That's all the heals he gave me? Really? Wow, that's kinda lame. That's kinda lame. Alright, alright, alright. Alright. Let's go. Hopefully there's some decent loot over here. Nope, somebody was already here. No, they didn't take it. They didn't take the loot yet, doubles. They didn't take it. They didn't take it, bro. Medkit? Bandies? Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? Okay, boom. Chakalaka. Alright, let's go. Let's see if there's something good over here. Bandies? Ooh, slurpy slurp. Why not, bruh? Ooh, cheesy puffs. I love cheesy puff. Why not, doubles? Why not, bruh? Woo-wee! Let's go, baby. Why not? Why not? All right. Let's get out of here, bro. What do you think, doubles? Let's get out of here. I think there's a launch pad over here, doubles, you know? DKI up 193%! Alright, what's going on over here? Anything? Nothing, honey. Nothing, honey. I think we should probably get out of here, bro. What's over here? Come on. Alright, we gotta get in, bro. This storm is aggro, bro. The storm is aggro, bro. Look at all this loot over here, bro. I need this ammo, bro. All right, let's go. How about we go into the tree, bro? Dude. Let's go high. Oh, doubles. Freaking healed off, man. Freaking healed off, doubles. That sucked. Yo, this thing is like the worst. This stick. The stick sucks. It sucks, I tell you. Oh, migration. DKI went up to 9 to 7 cents. 191%. To 7 cents. Oh, migration. 192%. Let's go, baby. Let's get a share party. Let's share it up. Let's take a look at what's going on. Let's see what's moving. Let's see what's grooving. We're watching DKI moving on earnings. RSI is overheating. Volume candles still coming in, though. Nice little pushy, giving some more money today. Some more money. DKI made money on it on Friday. Made money on it this morning. And it's moving and grooving right now as well. Love it. Don't like it. Love it. Love it. Let's get a share party. Let's get the 500. We got the 420 for the memes already. Let's go for 500. Let's share it up. Let's go take a look at some stocks. XTKG. XTKG. See, this is what I was concerned about, Double C. This is why I put that resistance area right there. It double topped. You see? Now, here's the good news, though. There's some good news. There's some good news. Here it is. You want to know what the good news is? The price action is holding above the volume-weighted average, which is right over here. Volume-weighted average is at approximately 34 cents. So it's holding above the volume-weighted average. The 90 MA is stacked above the volume-weighted average. But what we're concerned about now, if I zoom in, is we need to see this 90 MA start curling upward. Otherwise, this could be like a small head and shoulders here. Here's your shoulder, here's your head, and if it doesn't move upward, if the 90 MA doesn't start to curl, this could be another shoulder, and that would be an indication that the price action is going to go down. Now, here's the thing. Volume is dipping, and we're also seeing that this RSI is dipping. So indications are that the price action is pulling back. Hopefully, it will break this downtrend on the RSI and start moving upward, but it looks like a significant turnaround here. We'll see what happens. There's still 34 minutes before the power hour when volume comes in. You're watching Power Play. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. Also, go ahead and follow us on X.com, a.k.a. Twitter, at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. Facebook, Instagram, Threads, and Twitch at Coach Nick Money. And, of course, we're on TikTok at DBLNix. At DBLNICKS, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money, baby. Money, 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 money. Money, money. And, of course, we've got our 4-day trial for our Discord community that will give you all the tools, all the multiple scanners, the early watch list, the news features, the search news features, the filing features that you could search as well, educational content, and, of course, an incredible community and access to us to help y'all out, to help you achieve your goals and aspirations. But ultimately, it is up to you to put in the time and effort to make things happen because, hey, that's just the way it is, baby. So go ahead and click the link in the description and in the pinned comment for your 4-day trial for $9.99. Go ahead, click it good. Let us know that you came in off the show. Make sure you got the notifications on YouTube, Doubles, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir, because, of course, we got my co-host, the illustrious one, the only DBL Nix in the house, a.k.a. the Rainmaker, baby. He's got his show at 8:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday, every single week called Microcap Mornings, where he and his co-host, the Huntress of Parabolic Plays, the bushy-tailed one herself, the Serengeti specialist herself, we like to call her DBL Moms, is in the house with DBL Nix, hunting for Parabolic Plays from 8:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time into the open. So pre-market into the open of regular hours, baby. So go ahead and set that notification on YouTube at Coach Money. At Coach Nick Money. All right, we're going to go ahead and check out a couple of other stonks right here. Let's take a look at FATBP. FATBP. We still got time for Power Hour. There's still 32 minutes for Power Hour. This is selling off, so needs to get above the volume weighted average. Let's give it a Fibonacci just because we can. Fibonacci retracement, bada binga. Bada bing. Right now, it is below volume weighted average. Volume weighted average is 25 cents. That's going to be a significant resistance point. And it's holding support at around 14 cents. It is a inexpensive joint. So, of course, it's going to be a little challenging to trade because they tend to be a lot more volatile. 69% up. And that is the story with FATBP. It is a 3 million float with 27 million in volume. So it had a lot of volume at one point, but right now it needs volume love as we wait for the Power Hour. XTKG. Let's take a look at it one more time. Okay, still trying to decide whether or not it's going to form a head and shoulders bear pattern or if this 9 EMA is going to curl, baby curl. Right now, it's still pointing downward. We don't like that, Doubles. We want it to point upward. PLAG. PLAG, let's take a look at it. It's 8 million float stock, 1 million volume. Planet Green Holdings. The 9 EMA is bullishly stacked above the VWAP. There's not a heck of a lot of volume on this ticker. But it is currently up 40%. RSI is trying to move upward, but the latest candle is turning red. So it needs volume love. I tell you, volume love. Let's take a look at Roma. R-O-M-A. Roma. It pumped. And it dumped, right? It pumped and it dumped. It's going to need to curl, baby curl, and it needs to break through the volume-weighted average of $4.71. RSI is trying to move upward. Not a heck of a lot of volume on Roma. The company had announced the resignation of independent non-executive director Cheng Yu-Pi Lai-san. San was appointed as the independent non-executive director. So that's a story with Roma. All right. So anyway, KOLD. Let's check it out. KOLD. ProShare Ultra. This is the natural gas ETF. Okay, whatever. It's an ETF. Not really a day trading kind of thing, but it is up 51%. 51%. Doubles. DKI. Let's go take a look at DKI. Moved on news of positive earnings on Friday. Continuation was up as much as 98 cents, 99 cents right over here, pulling back now under the level of resistance of the Fibonacci. 96 cents needs to bounce above it, but the 9 EMA looks like it's crossing over the volume weighted average, which would be a bullish pattern. RSI is moving upward, but the latest candles are red, so it's still giving an indecisive signal. Let's get a share party. Let's get it over to 600, 700. We're over 500. Let's share it up. 9 EMA has to cross over the volume weighted average for DKI. 9 EMA has to cross over the volume weighted average for DKI. All right. Let's go ahead and let these stonks simmer a little bit. We'll keep an eye on DKI for now. We'll let these stonks simmer on high heat. Hopefully they'll start percolating. There's 29 minutes before the power hour. Let's go get a dub for the community. Those two games, man, I tell you, that stick is messing me up, bro. I don't want to make excuses, but I'm going to make them, darn it, because I can. It's my show. My show, bro. It's my show, bro. It's my show. I'm sick of the stick. I'm sick of it. I'm sick of the stick. I don't like the stick, bro. I don't like it. Oh, dude, what is that? Stranger Things? That's the character from Stranger Things right there, Doubles. That person right there, that's that character from Stranger Things right there, Doubles. That movie, that show, that series, Stranger Things. You don't know about it? You don't know? You don't know about it. Come on, Doubles. Come on. Come on. Come on. This one's playing the drums, bro. How cool is that? Look, I'm guitar playing with this fella. Look, 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 Doubles, look. Let's go. We were jamming, bro. We be jamming. We be jamming, yo. We be jamming, bro. I don't know. Kind of stopped playing the drums right after I did that, though. Did he get mad at me? I hope he didn't get mad at me for jamming out with me. I don't know, man. That would have been nothing to get angry about, you know? All right, Doubles, here we go. Let's get it, bro. Let's get it. Let's get it. Hopefully, we'll also have a zone that's not so aggressive against the coach. You know what I'm saying, Doubles? DKI is pulling back, having difficulty holding the volume-weighted average at 87 cents. Fuse moving up 76%. FATB 55%. Roma 43%. PLAG 42%. You know what I'm saying, Doubles? You know what I'm talking about, bro? You know what I'm saying, bro? You know what I'm talking about? Let's get that share party. Let's get to 600. We're almost there. Let's go. Share it up. Share it up. Let's share it on up. Share it on up. Nothing here. Nothing there. Really? One chest, bro? Seriously? Yo, what is going on, bro? What is going on? And of course, you're going to give me just a shotty to start off with? Come on now. Come on now. Alright. I could work with that. I could work with that. Why not? Why not? I could work with that. Why not? Why not? I could work with that, Doubles. I could work with that. Why not? Why not? Alright, let's get this. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Need some shield. How about some shield? Or not. Or not. Oh, there we go. Shield. Alright, alright. Alright. Alright, alright. Did I miss anything in here? Am I missing a chest? Am I missing something here? I don't know. Okay. 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 Come on. I love cheesy puff. Doubles. You love cheesy puff? I love cheesy puff. I don't even know what the heck it is, bro. I don't even know what it is, bro. All right. Alright, Doubles. What are we doing over here? DKI trying to move back up again. Trying to move back up. Trying. Oh, look at that. Look at that, Doubles. Look at that. Look at. Look. Oh, he's gonna start lagging again, bro. Bro, this thing gonna start lagging again? Not gonna start lagging again, is it? Alright, let's go in. Let's go in. Let's go in. We're gonna go in. Doubles, we're gonna go in. Let's go. Let's go. Cheesy puff, cheesy puff. I got a lot of coinage, bro. Oh, bro, look at this. Look, it's got the that feature where you can chop stuff up and get mats really quick. You know what I'm talking about? Is that what it's called? Gold Rush? Alright. What's this? Ooh! Oh, dude, it's gone. Ah, bro. Alright, let's get out of here, bro. Somebody was already here, bro. Somebody was already here, doubles! I don't know, doubles. I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna get out of here, bro. Alright, let's do this. Let's go, bro. What is that? What was over here, bro? It was like some kind of... Look at all this loot, bro. No goddamn decent AR, though. You know? No decent AR, bro. No decent AR, brother. Ooh, look at that. I needed that. I needed that, doubles. I needed that. Alright, let's get out of here. Now, how does this thing... Oh, these guys are all heading over there, bro. Somebody's already there, bro. Alright, let's do this, doubles. Let's get it. Let's get it. DKI trying to move back up. Come on now. Hold the volume weighted average. Hold the volume weighted average. Let's go. All right, here we go. Let's see what this is over here. Let's see what's going on over here. Ooh, whoa! What the heck? Go! What the heck was that all about? What the heck, Doubles, right? Uh-oh. Bye-bye, sucker! Bye-bye, sucker! Bye-bye, fool! Doubles. This is a problemo. I got me a problem, Doubles. Could have sworn somebody was shooting at me. All right, here we go, Doubles. We're gonna move on, move and groove, bro. Gonna take height. I don't know where the stick is at. Oh, it's right there. Whoa, bro. The stick is nowhere near me, bro. Nowhere near me, bro. I know. I'm just saying, but they already planted it, bro. You know? They already planted it. Let's get a share party. Let's get to 700. What's what? Zip line, bro. Oh, you know what I do need though? I do need. I'm not gonna use that right now. The storm is moving too aggressive, bro. I'm gonna need heals, bro. Because these guys do like heals offs and stuff like that. I'm gonna go, bro. I'm gonna go. I know, he's right there, bro. Somebody's got the stick already, right? No? Bye-bye, fool! Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Get back in, get back in! Ah, doubles, man! Come on, bro! Come on, bro! Bro, come on, bro. Come on, bro. Yo, they got too much hokey stuff in this, bro. Too much hokey stuff, bro. Oh, look at that. He's gonna use the cheesy puff now. Look at all these heal-offs, bro. They gotta do something about this, bro. Ah, that's corny. That's corny, bro. Too many heal-offs. Let's get a share party going on. DKI under the volume weighted average. Under the volume weighted average. 12 minutes before power hour. Let's get a share party. Let's take a look at what's going on. The stonks. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. Let's take a look at what's going on. We need the volume weighted average to be surpassed. Volume weighted average on DKI is currently at 88 cents. 88 cents. RSI is dipping. Volume is dipping. But we still got 11 minutes before power hour. Hopefully some volume will come in and DKI will give us a second win. Let's go to FUSE. Let's share it up. FUSE. FUSE. All right. Look, doubles. It had a descending wedge bull reversal pattern, bro. Look at that. It did a descending wedge bull reversal fuse, baby. Fuse. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that little descending wedge right here. Little bull reversal pattern. And now a cup and handle pattern. A cup and handle. Look, doubles. Little cup and handle going on right there.
Yay.
All right, all right. So let's go ahead and create some key levels of resistance and support because this looks like a cup and handle pattern. Let's get that graffiti pencil activated. Here's your cup and there's your handle. That's a bull pattern. Let's get the Fibonacci retracement going on. Fibonacci retracement. All right, we got support right where it's at right now, $3 and change. Resistance right at around $3.25, $3.30. RSI is heading towards the overbought area, having some difficulty, but this is a bull pattern. This is probably the cleanest one right now, Adam, what I'm saying, but you never know. You got still another 10 minutes before the power hour, doubles, another 10 minutes. Make sure you're following us on YouTube at Coach Money. At Coach Nick Money, and of course on X.com, aka Twitter, at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. Let's go to FATBP. Let's go. Okay, it is below the volume weighted average. It needs volume love. It needs to break that 25-cent volume weighted average. Make sure that you're also following us on Facebook, Instagram, and Threads, as well as Twitch at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. And I said X.com, didn't I? At Coach Nick Money. And TikTok at DBL Nicks. And make sure you're hitting up that 4-day trial for $9.99 for our custom scanners, the Discord community, multiple custom scanners, early watch lists that are absolute fire, and educational content, and much, much more. Go ahead and click that link for the 4-day trial for $9.99. It's in the description and in the pinned comment. Let's take a look at SORA and see what that stock is doing. SORA, and we're looking at our custom scanners on the right side of the server, the right side of the screen. Right, you can see the custom scanner. And SORA is 10 million float, only 553,000 shares, so it's moving on light volume. It needs volume love. Asia strategy. It needs volume love, but it is up 57%. 57%. Roma up 46%. Roma up 46%. But you could see it pumped and it dumped. So it gave back a lot of what it had before. Back to DKI. DKI, let's go back to it. DKI fighting to break volume weighted average. Volume weighted average is at 87 cents. 87 cents. It is a 14 million float stock. You could see it on our custom scanners that we're sharing with you from the Discord on the left-hand corner. 14 million float, 196 million volume. Let's go to Fuse, because Fuse was looking kind of shamexed. Let's take a look at it. Fuse, cup and handle needs to stay above $3. $3. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel. Make sure. And make sure you're also following on X.com, both platforms. It's at Coach Nick Money. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to achieve your goals and aspirations and dreams, baby. I call y'all indelibles because I want y'all to leave your mark. I want your mark to be unerasable, a.k.a. indelibles, bro. We love you all so much. You guys are fantastic. I hope you got a little bit of an education out of this, and I hope you got a bunch of laughs, and we want you to make a lot of money and be greenable today and forever, baby. It's Coach Nick Money and DBL Nicks, and we are